Welcome to the veggie world of Learn Tiny. Today, we're uncovering the flavors, benefits, and fun facts about your favorite vegetables. Let's jump in. Eggplant. Eggplant is a purple vegetable that is smooth and soft inside. It can be grilled or fried. Endive. Endive is a leafy vegetable that has a slightly bitter taste. It's great in salads. Garlic. Garlic is a small, white bulb that adds a strong flavor to food. It's used in almost every cuisine. Green beans. Green beans are long, green vegetables that are crunchy and delicious. They can be cooked or eaten raw. Horseradish. Horseradish is a root vegetable that has a strong, spicy flavor. It's often used in sauces. Jalapeno. Jalapeno is a small, green chili pepper that is spicy. It adds a lot of flavor to dishes. Kale. Kale is a leafy green vegetable that is very healthy. It can be eaten raw in salads or cooked. Lady's fingers, okra. Okra, also called lady's fingers, is a green vegetable that is used in many soups and stews. It's soft and slimy when cooked. Leek. Leek is a vegetable that looks like a long green onion. It has a mild, sweet taste and is used in soups and stews. Lettuce. Lettuce is a leafy green vegetable that is often used in salads. It's crunchy and fresh. Lotus root. Lotus root is a crunchy, brown root from a water plant. It has a sweet flavor and is used in many Asian dishes. Loofah. Loofah is a vegetable that looks like a cucumber. When it's dried, it can be used as a sponge. Mint. Mint is a green herb that has a fresh, cool flavor. It's often used in drinks like tea and in desserts. Morena. Morena is a green, leafy plant that is very healthy. It's often used in soups or teas. Onion. Onions are round vegetables with a strong flavor. They can be white, yellow, or red and are used in almost all cooking. Potato. Potatoes are starchy, brown or yellow vegetables. They can be boiled, mashed, or fried and are very tasty.